Just stop by any theme park to your window for details. Experience a South Seas island adventure at Disney's Polynesian Resort. Inside the Great Ceremonial House, you'll find shopping and dining with a South Pacific flavor.
Lisa,
Do you see the hotel that we were in the other time? It was over there. It's the red and white one.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are currently holding for further traffic clearance. Please remember to stay clear of all automatic doors. If you're standing, please continue to hold on to the silver handrails.